Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. Today I decided to put together a little video on how you can purchase birthday gifts and decorate them and a few other things on a budget. This was for my niece who just turned 3 years old. A lot of you have not met her. You've met her sister Isabella. So the first thing I want to show you is the gift I purchased on Amazon. It was through Prime, and if you're not already associated with Prime, please do so. For the first time you get to try it out for 1 month for free, and what Prime means is that you will get your package within 2 days or sooner, and you do not pay shipping and handling. So what I purchased, first of all, this was a fantastic deal. So this is called Brightlings by Spin Master. I paid $9 for this on Amazon, and it normally retails for $29.99, on sale right now at Toys R Us for $24.79. So I got it for less than half price. Aw, how cute is she? She just said happy birthday, Kaylee. So this is super cute, and oh my gosh, for $9 you cannot go wrong with that. Next I bought her some clothing. I went to Carter's, Oshkosh, and they were having a good sale. I believe it was 30% off. And check out these items. They were so cute, too cute to pass up, and I think she'll look absolutely adorable in them. So check out these shoes. They are so cute. They were actually in the clearance rack, and look how adorable, and it was like meant to be, size 7. So right now she's a large size 6, so these will be perfect for her. And they just remind me of when I was a kid, the old European style Portuguese shoes, and look at the grip on the bottom, perfect, and they're so well made. The detail is amazing, and I believe these were on clearance for $19 plus the additional 30% off, so those were a really good deal. This, of course, as soon as I walked in, they caught my eye, or it caught my eye. It was so cute. It's a little overall jean dress, but it has the flower print at the bottom, and again, for the summertime, I thought it was so cute. I absolutely love the overalls at Oshkosh, and with this little detail at the bottom, oh so pretty. It's gonna look so cute on her come this summer, and she can even match it up with those shoes on like the cooler spring days. Oh, I love it. So I couldn't pass that up. So that is the little outfit I got her along with that toy. Plus I picked up this super cute polka dot wrapping paper, and you can see, probably not too close here, but it does say happy birthday. I picked up this roll at Dollarama for $2, and it actually comes with a lot of paper, so I picked that up to wrap the toy. Picked up these little bows. Yes, I can make them, but it's just so much easier to do it that way. There's 2 of them in there for $1.25, and I love the iridescent pink and purple that comes across under the light. And I picked up this fun, cute little bag, and that's to put her clothes in as well. And I did have already some tissue paper, so I'll be putting some fuchsia pink tissue paper in the bag to wrap up the clothes. So because the actual toy box is awkward shaped, I'm just gonna put it back into the box that it came in, the Amazon box, and wrap it up that way. So it's a nice square box. So we're gonna go ahead and wrap it, and I decided to take you along with me. But it kind of gets boring, so I'll just fast forward through this. Now, if only I can wrap that quickly in real life, wouldn't that be fun? So I'm just going to add the final touch here. I'm just going to go ahead and place the bow. And all you have to do is peel the back, and there's a sticky portion which you just stick right on the gift. And as I mentioned, there's two, but I'm just going to use one in this case. And here it is. Here's the wrap gift. Again, nothing fancy, but it looks super cute and super colorful for a beautiful and fun 3-year-old. And now I'm going to use the bag I purchased. Again, this was from the Dollarama if I didn't mention it earlier. And I'm going to place the clothes in there and just finish it off with some pink tissue paper. Now, if you've made it this far, I wanted to show you, I am so happy with the way this turned out. I also made, for free, a cake topper for Kaylee's cake, and I finally got around to use my Cricut machine, and I think this came out wonderfully. Last year we bought a similar one, and it cost us $18, and this time it was free. I also made Kaylee's cake. It's a white fondant vanilla cake with pink ruffles at the bottom. Again, this was free, and we all know how expensive fondant cakes can be. So again, budget friendly without the budget friendly look. So Kaylee was getting all these gifts, of course, because it was her birthday, so I couldn't leave Isabella out. So I decided again with my Cricut machine to make her a personalized t-shirt. She is really into Roblox right now, and if you follow her on her channel, you will see that. Just a little plug there. So if you're not following Isabella, she has her own channel. I'll link that down below. Anyways, I made her personalized t-shirt Roblox with Isabella the Girl Gamer. So she loved it, and that way she didn't feel left out. She got a little something too. Anyways, this concludes my video. I hope you enjoyed this video on how to purchase gifts and decorate on a budget without looking like it was on a budget. So again, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for supporting my channel, and I hope I gave you ideas. And like always, I will talk to you on my next video. Bye everyone!